that, before that, let's know who is this gentleman. Right. So the name is Harsh.
Hi guys, I have been into public speaking since the age of 20. I remember at the age of 21, I reached India's top 8 motivational speakers, and I was one of the youngest on those platforms and one of the fastest to reach there. After which 3-4 years I was just competing, and as many public speaking forums I could find, I spoke. Like and all of this is what I have won in so many years. So now let's get started for me to tell you my 5 secrets of public speaking. Hi guys, my name is Harsh Goyala and I'm an investor, trainer and mentor in stock markets. But today I'm not going to talk about stock markets. I am going to talk about my 5 secrets of public speaking. As you commented in the past video, सारे comments इधर हैं. And now this video I'm going to tell you my 5 secrets of public speaking. You know, in school I was a very shy kid. मैं ज़्यादा बात नहीं करता था. I had my own issues. I had all body shaming issues because मैं मोटा था. And I realized that if I want to change myself, if I want to change myself as a personality, I have to take up public speaking. You know, even Warren Buffett learned public speaking under Dale Carnegie, and he says it also that no matter what you do, public speaking is that cherry on the cake. And today I'm going to share my secrets with you. Now before that, let's understand what is public speaking. Public speaking hota kya hai? Public speaking is an art to communicate your message with those same emotions and intentions. Simple. Public speaking is the art to communicate your message with the same emotions and intentions. Just I'll tell you the difference. Now suppose if I tell you, listen, tomorrow at 5 p.m. we're going to do this work. Or if I tell you, listen, tomorrow at 5 p.m. we have to do this work. Now you see, the same message kitne different tones mein ja raha hai. So learning this art is the art of public speaking. Now I'm not going into the analytics of public speaking or what are the types of speeches there and how should you compete. मैं उस पे नहीं जा रहा हूँ. I am giving you those 5 secrets which have helped me all this way and which you can use in your day-to-day life. So secret number 1, language does not matter. A lot of people think, और बहुत लोगों का myth होता है, is that they think because that the pronunciation of English is not good, they are conscious of the grammatical errors in English, so they think they are not good speakers, they cannot speak. ये बहुत common है. A lot of people when they are conscious कि वो English नहीं बोल पा रहे स्टेज पे या वो गलती करे grammatical issues, वो सोचते हैं उनको public speaking नहीं आती है. हो सकता है आपकी भी ये situation हो. Now I'll give you an example. Now this problem was with one of my mentees. Now I asked him, ठीक है, अगर आपको हिंदी इंग्लिश में प्रॉब्लम है, it's okay, give a speech in हिंदी. So whenever जो हमारे कॉलेजेस में स्टॉक मार्केट सेशंस होते हैं, so I told him, you introduce me and you say in Hindi, I don't mind. Give a 5-minute talk about stock markets, talk about yourself, and then you introduce me and go on stage only in Hindi. You don't need to use English. सिर्फ हिंदी में बात करो. तो आपके हिसाब से क्या वो कर पाया या नहीं कर पाया? वो नहीं कर पाया. Because your language does not matter. The art of public speaking is something else altogether, right? So don't confuse your thing that अच्छा I don't have a good command over my language, तो मैं public speaking नहीं कर सकता. Be it Hindi, English, French, German, Tamil, Telugu, Malayalam, all are at par. So you know any language, it's okay because language का काम क्या होता है? To communicate a message. So if you're communicating in a certain language और दूसरे जो receive कर रहा है उसको वो message समझ आ रहा है, your objective is done. So secret number 1, language does not matter. Now secret number 2, टाइप्स ऑफ स्पीकर्स. सीक्रेट नंबर 2 है टाइप्स ऑफ स्पीकर्स. नाउ to give you a relatable example, let me give you two very prominent figures on YouTube itself. सबसे पहला संदीप महेश्वरी, second Vivek Bindra. Now I'm sure you have seen Sandeep Maheshwari also and Vivek Bindra also. Now tell me this, have you seen Sandeep Maheshwari talk? He'll talk in a very calm way, आराम से बैठे होंगे स्टूल में, and he'll be talking in a very modular voice. He will not be shouting or anything or using aggressive वो hand movements or face gestures, nothing. आराम से बात कर रहे हैं, आपने देखा? Now you take Dr. Vivek Bindra. He'll be shouting, he'll be doing this, he'll be showing a lot of hand movements and this and that, right? Which one is better? All are equally good. Now, why am I telling you this? Because a lot of things when I started public speaking, I thought if you want to be a good speaker, you have to shout, use aggressive hand movements, this and that and this and that. But that is not the case. So every person is different. Now if you see me, मेरे लिए what I like, what style suits me, I feel is that I use hand gestures, I use voice modulation. आप देखोगे बहुत talks में अपनी voice ऊपर करूँगा फिर नीचे करूँगा, right? Because that suits me and I'm comfortable in that. But if you're comfortable in being some other kind of speaker, it's completely fine. It is completely fine. Both speakers can be as effective. Again, there are a lot of speaking styles. मैं आपको सिर्फ इन दो examples समझा रहा हूँ, right? So you'll see in a lot of my YouTube videos, I get a lot of hate comments also. कि अरे why is he so aggressive? Why the hell are you shouting so much? I get these comments, but it's okay because I know it for a fact. You cannot please everyone. There will be some people who like you. There will be some people who do not like you, which is again perfectly fine. Secret number 3, listening. You know, how can you be a great public speaker? By not speaking at all. By not speaking at all. A great public speaker is that person who listens. आप खुद सोचो, you would always hate talking to a person who does not let you speak. There will be people around you जो अगर आपको discussion कर रहे हो तो he will keep putting his point in. And when you want to put your point across, नहीं, टाइम नहीं है, वो अपनी ही बात करते रहेंगे और बोलते ही रहेंगे and he will not give you space to speak. Have you seen such kind of people? I know you have. How do you feel? Irritated? You want to throw the chair on their faces, right? Good speaking, good public speaking has to have good listening skills. So you need to listen to the other person, right? Now, how do you do that? सबसे पहला, अब suppose if I'm talking to you, so if you are talking to me, अगर आप मुझसे बात कर रहे हैं, I will maintain eye contact with you और मैं अपना head भी नोट करूँगा. अच्छा, तो आप देख रहे हो क्या हो रहा है? Now just think you're talking to me और मैं आपसे बोल रहा हूँ, अच्छा, are you seeing my attention? So whenever you want to listen to someone, no, उससे eye contact maintain करो, नोट करो, just to show him that you are listening. And एक और cheat code बताऊँ, this is a cheat code I really use. Repeat the last few sentences he put out. Repeat the last few words. So suppose if someone is calling you, अच्छा आकाश, tomorrow I have to fly to Bangalore, so please pack my bags. So on phone you can simply say, okay, you're flying to Bangalore, I'll pack your bags. आप देख रहे हो? So whenever someone is saying something to you, you repeat last few words. तो जो speaker इसको क्या लगता है? You're listening to him. And everyone wants to talk to a person who likes to listen. And इसको बोलते हैं how you become a charmer. A lot of people tell me, Harsh, you have great charming skills. That first impression you gave when you walk in a room, you have great charming skills. A very big cheat code to this is, and again, this is my big secret, that I am a good listener. Right? And I use those skills. मैं अब note करूँगा, I'll make an eye contact, and a lot of times I'll repeat those last words. Right? So secret number 3, be a good listener. Secret number 4, remove all vulnerabilities. सारी जो the times you feel vulnerable, the times you feel conscious, उन सबको हटा दो. Right? Now you will see people are scared of speaking. क्यों? Logically देखोगे, जो I have experienced it myself, you will see that people are scared that what if I do one thing, people will laugh at me. what if I do this, people will make fun of me, how will I look, how will I do this, right? Best चीज़ है अपना मजाक पहले ही उड़ा दो. Make sure that people are laughing at you so much that you're not bothered by it, right? So the best thing is self-deprecating humor, जो आप daily life में use करना चाहिए आपको, and which you can. So I'll give you an example. So whenever I go to a baby family get together or I go with my friends, so of course they come to me like, Harsh, wow, you're doing such great work and this and that and this and that, because they keep seeing me on social media platforms. So you know what I say? Of course. So what did I do here? I'm doing self-deprecating humor. I'm making fun of myself. So whenever if I'm with friends or cousins or family or anyone, you will always find that I'm always making jokes on myself only. I'm cracking jokes on myself. I'm making people laugh on my expense. Because I'm paraphrasing Shah Rukh Khan over here, is that he said that the real macho man is not who can beat up every person in the room. The real macho man is the person who is comfortable when everyone is laughing at him. When he is comfortable on someone cracking joke on him, when that person does not take himself that seriously. Of course, I'm paraphrasing, but आप इसका मतलब समझ रहे हो? So if you keep on using self-deprecating humor, if you don't take yourself too seriously, you will never be in a vulnerable position. You will never feel that thing कि लोग मुझे judge करेंगे, which to be honest has really worked a lot for me. So that was secret number 4. Now the most important, my secret number 5, and this secret is a major reason why someone can be categorized as a good speaker or a bad speaker. The secret number 5 is emotions. Emotions का मतलब क्या होता है? What you feel. Emotions is that feeling of happiness, sorrow, sad, greed, anxiety, anxious, emotions. अब emotions का बहुत simple rule है, is that emotions mirror each other, right? So if you see a sad movie, you will automatically become sad. If you see a very happy movie, you will become happy. If you listen to a very एड्रेनलिन जंकी म्यूजिक और बहुत ही एक्साइटमेंट म्यूजिक, आप खुद पंप अप हो जाओगे. इसलिए जिम में आपने देखा होगा म्यूजिक उस टाइप का चलता है, राइट? सो इमोशंस रेप्लिकेट. सो व्हेन यू आर स्पीकिंग टू समवन, इफ यू फील दैट थिंग, वो ऑटोमेटिकली उस पर रेप्लिकेट कर जाएगा, irrespective of the fact your grammatical skills are good or bad, your pronunciation is good or bad, nothing matters. But if your emotions are strong, if you believe in that topic, those emotions will replicate. इसलिए आपने देखा होगा a lot of times when people come to you, you will feel that he's fake. ये झूठ बोल रहा है, he's fake, and they'll give a good presentation, this and that, and everything is perfect, but you will still feel नहीं, something's not right, he's नहीं, कुछ गलत है. होता है कि नहीं होता है? Right? Now कोई आपके पास दूसरी सिचुएशन में someone comes to you and he होता है ना, you're sitting with your friends and that friend really gets sad and he's just sharing those things with you. यार मेरी लाइफ में ये हो रहा है, this happened, that happened, those emotional things. So do you see your reaction? आप automatically उस zone में आ जाओगे. You will automatically start feeling those emotions and you will start empathizing with them. होता है कि नहीं होता है? Right? So emotions replicate. So आप बहुत बार देखोगे, and again this is a very big secret I'm giving out. A lot of times people tell me, Harsh, how come your stock market videos are so good? I feel so motivated and this and that. कितने लोगों ने मुझे बोला है कि that after watching your TEDx JIT speech, we started stock market. I have been looking into stock market since that time, and you had created that awareness of stock markets in me since that time. क्यों? Because when I feel for it, I know it, और मुझे अंदर उसका मतलब I have that emotion for it, वो automatically आप पे replicate करेगा. So stage पे, when you go on stage, or when you talk in front of people, truth is you cannot laugh because your emotions will replicate. That's it. And trust me, if you use these 5 secrets, your speaking skills, your personality, that charm will go to another level. Repeating again, secret number 1, language does not matter. Secret number 2, types of speakers. Which one are you? You need to find out, and all are okay, so you don't need to copy anyone. Secret number 3, listen. लोगों को सुनना बहुत जरूरी है. Secret number 4, remove all vulnerabilities. Don't take yourself so seriously. And secret number 5, and the most important, emotions. Pure emotions. If you actually feel for something, that will automatically replicate. And trust me, these public speaking skills have really helped me to reach this far, and this is the reason आप यहाँ बैठ के मुझे सुन रहे हो, right? Because at some, maybe you attended my session or my talk or NSC BSc training or a college training or a corporate training, or you've seen some bit of me on YouTube. That is why you're here, because you feel connected to me, right? Because I'm in a position to share my ideas with you in that same intention and same emotional value, right? So yeah, those were my 5 secrets of public speaking, and trust me, they are very powerful. So नीचे comment करो, which secret did you find was the best? Which secret do you think you are going to start using immediately? नीचे comment करो. I was very excited to make this video. So yeah, मैं पहली बार ऐसी public speaking में अपने secrets out करूँ, I was very excited to make this video. So yes, I'm really even more excited to read your comments. And that was it for today. I hope you liked the entire video. If you liked it, give it a big thumbs up. Share this video with your friends so that they can also know what are the secrets of public speaking and why is this so important. And to get more content like this, to stay more connected like this, subscribe karo. And we will keep giving you quality content like this. Till then, this is Goela School of Finance, financially empowering you.